guys, welcome to Road Rage Friday night feature. A little something different this time, a motorcycle. How good is she? How beautiful is that paintwork? This is a 2005 Ironhorse Tejas. I think I'm saying that right. Hardtail, so no suspension. It's got the original custom paintwork. It is more chrome on it than you can imagine. Take a look at that. You see the cameraman in the chrome. She's running a 280 3.5 rear tyre. She's got a Van Hyman pipes. All of this is original. It's a 111 cubic inch motor, and it is only done 4,235 Ks from brand new. 4,235 Ks from brand new. So if you like this motorcycle, look at our social medias and like us on there. Look at our new revamped website and give us a call.